welcome to Nadid Murtad. Today we will learn how to make a business card through Photopea. So we're going to type in photopea.com. The link will of course be given in the description box below. So now we should paste like this. So the ones who doesn't have Photoshop installed in their desktop or whatever PC, so they can use Photopea. So then we're going to click on new project, and the width should be 3.5 inch. You should always remember that it should be 3.5 inch, and height should be 2 inch, and the DPI should be 120, and the background should be white, and the artboard tick box should not be tick marked, and then we're going to click on create. So we will find a board like this. Then we're going to go to a new tab and then type on pixabay.com. Also, don't worry, this link will also be given in the description box below. We're going to type in computer line art. Then we're going to choose any picture from here. So it's all your wish. So perhaps we think of this one, then we're going to copy it and paste it. So we're going to make it a bit small. So at first you may not get this transform controls. So for that, at the top there will be an option for transform control. So over there you have to click transform control. You can see here. Now this is our card's background. Now we have to type. So we're going to click on this text option, and this should be we have to find it. So we have to click on all at first, then we're going to again click on all and select sans serif, this one. Now we're going to click on elegant, find elegant. Okay, so if we type, we are not finding elegant, so we are going to find it. Oh yeah, it's actually enigmatic, so we are going to click on enigmatic and then click on text again, and the name should be a bit bigger, yeah. And let's, for example, give, yeah, we're going to click on Fernandez Table. So I gave the name Fernandez Table. So since the background is a bit of black, so we're going to give the color white. So white is much better. So now the name is here. We're going to bring it a bit down. That will be good. So now we're going to copy it. So we're going to right click on the layers option, Fernando Table there, and give duplicate layer. Then we're going to select the mouse, the move button, and then bring the one down. Now over here we're going to write, for example, journalist. So now this journalist have to be a bit smaller. So from here we're going to make it a bit small, and this should be italic. and then we're going to bring it a bit up. Then we're going to write where does he or she work. So we're going to again duplicate the layer and bring it down, and this should be, for example, Hazel television. So it's your wish what to write. I'm just giving any examples. So now you see it is a bit better. So now we have to write the address. So for address, I think we should use a new or a icon or logo. So we're going to open a new tab and then write custom icon. Actually, I have it in my bookmarks, and also don't worry, the link will be given in the description box below. So now we are going to write in locator, and remember this should always be icons. So now, yeah, so we have to choose which one we want. So I kind of like this one, the red one, so I'm going to copy it and then paste it here. So I have to make it a bit smaller. I am telling you again, if you can't make it smaller, you have to click here transform controls. So now you can see this photo has something written at the under. So we're going to delete it. And then if it's Windows 10, you have to press on Windows Shift S, or if it's any other, you can go on snipping tool and then you can take a picture of it. So I'm going to click on Windows Shift S and then select the picture, so there will be no background. So we're going to click on Control V. Now you can see it has nothing under it. So now we're going to make it a bit smaller. You can see that it has a background. So this background doesn't match with our background, with our card background. So we're going to select the third option or tool and select their quick selection and select the main thing. Then when we finish selecting it, we will click on Ctrl Shift I and then click on delete. Then we're going to click Ctrl D and make it a bit smaller. So there you go. It's almost done, and then we're going to click on Hazel Television and duplicate layer. So we're going to bring it down. And then we're going to write, for example, apartment 41 Mockup. So it's all your wish. So how you gonna write? So I'm going to make it a bit smaller. Yeah. Now at the bottom we have to write our phone number and also our email address. So we're going to again duplicate this any of the text. So instead of clicking on it, so we can just press on Enter. We have to keep pressing on Enter and then click on the text, and there we go, it's copied. So now we have to change the writing. So we're going to write our phone number. For example, I'm not giving any phone number here, so you guys will give your phone number. I'm going to give it here. So now for the phone number, we also need icon type of thing. Then for that, we are going to again go to that tab that I said custom icons. Then we're going to type in comp. As this is the comp, so we have found a bunch of icons. So we're going to keep finding which one we like. Okay, so I'm not finding any kind of good things here, so it's not that perfect. So I'm going to write your telephone. Yes, so I found it, so I'm going to, yeah, this is better. I'm going to copy it and then paste it. So as you can see, it already has no background, so we don't need to worry. I'm going to make it a bit smaller and then move it. There we go. Now we are going to write our Gmail. So we are again going to copy it. The 00 we're going to copy, and then here we are going to write your email address. I'm just writing contact at the rate. Here should be your email address. So if you guys want to do more designs, you can, but I'm doing this. I will be showing a design just a little bit because it's become a bit more simple. So now we're going to go to our tab again and then write Gmail. And this Gmail, we're going to select which one. This one is better. So we're going to copy it and then paste it. So this one also has no background. So now we're going to make it a bit smaller. No. Yes. Now it is perfect. Now this place is a bit nothing has is there. So we're going to select the pencil and let's make this feel blue. And then in any way it's our wish how to do it. So I'm making a design here. This design is not that good. Actually, I'm not a pro in pencil, so we have to find the one. So now in this way it is better, so we're going to copy it and then we can even rotate it. So I'm working on the pen tool here. If you guys want, you can work on the pen tool, and if you don't want, you can also not work on it. So that's all. That's the way I am doing it. So now our work is done. Now we have to open another file. We're going to click on new, and then we have to give the same width and height. We have to click on file and then new, and then we're going to give right 3.5 and height should be 2, and as usual, yeah. So over in this tab it is our first, and then this tab, now let's see which. So actually at the back, this is our front and this is our back. So eventually at the back we don't have any, but due to mockup, so we have to give backup. So I'm going to click on layer, this one, and I'm going to copy it. And then we're going to go to another layer and then paste it. So this is our front and this is our back. So now we have to go to another new tab and then type on business card mockup, free down. Then we're going to click on the first link. So we have finally found a mockup and it is in freepik.com. Don't worry, I'll give the link. So this is the one I like and it is free. I'm going to give the link of it and we're going to download it and wait for it to get downloaded. I will give a bunch of links in the description box and please like the video. So now we can see it is downloaded. We're going to go to Photopea and then click on file and we're going to now click on open. And then from our downloads we're going to select the zip file and it's loading. 2 files should come. So this one is just the picture and this one is the main mockup. So if we remove this one, we understand we're going to delete the previous one that I said is just a picture. So now, since we have downloaded the mockup, now the thing that we're going to do, this picture we have to click on file and then click on export as, then click on PNG. We're going to save it. And as usual, we are also going to save the back one. So I'm going to click on export as, then PNG, and then save again. So now, this is the front part. So now for the front part, we have to click here. Going to click, double click it, and just when we double click it, this kind of should come. So now we are going to give our, over here we're going to open the picture that we saved, the first picture. This is the first picture. We're going to copy it from here and then paste it. So this is at the background, so we have to drag background to the top and then fill it up. Then we're going to click Ctrl S and here should be written Smart Object Updated. So now we can see that over here is our card. So now we have to go to the back one. So this is the back one. So we're going to double click here and this should come. Now we're going to upload the back one. So we're going to click on open. And this was the back one. We're going to copy it and paste it. So we can see the writings are at the top one. So we are again going to drag background to the top. And now the writings can't be seen. Now we're going to click on Ctrl S. And here it should be written Smart Object Updated. And here you can see that it is done. So all the work is done, how to make a business card. And so today we have learned how to make a business card. Congratulations if you have done it with me. Your project and my project is also successful. Thank you everyone for watching this video.